last one.
Ever. Put 3 chicken in this bowl.
For taste first.
Alright. I'm gonna put 3 inside first.
This is how we go.
Trick we.
We going in 3s.
Blazin.
Woo!
And you can see it's sealed.
It's real. It's the seal.
You see that back.
When you're trying to play it cool, but at the same time, the pepper still hot.
Seal.
Liverpool. Seal. And a joke thing.
Hey, wait, hold on.
Yeah, I think.
Pour with caution.
For a guy.
Pour with caution.
Gotta ask you a question though.
This the hot sauce dance. That minute you realize that sauce is aiming for your eyes.
Boy, that flash go on, boy.
I'm an eye boy there.
Hey.
Well, what up?
Proceed with caution.
I drink me milk now. I didn't even coming out today.
Oh!
Look, you can tell
Guys,
wait.
look at that. Look at that.
It's so hot. I don't even want to come out.
You started off with 3 first. Story some seal.
Next spoon.
Yo. Shoot that. This is the last one. This is Blazin. This is the one that determines who a man or who a girl.
So why you part that he is a man and be a girl? Who a man and who a girl?
I the man don't know who I with.
Who a man, who a girl? Yo, chin dog, chin.
Well,
I got it fun, man.
alright. Chicken wing, wing stop.
Me pick it up first, pick it up the first bite.
Alright. Well, don't bite that tree. Well, bite.
Oh, I'm not going to take it. Yo, you don't play the man, you take it. Yo, you don't play the man.
Pick it up.
No, Rob, you don't play the man, you take it.
Alright, well. Don't bite that tree. Ready?
Yo, me don't got seed on it.
Yeah, that's crazy what that sauce on that one, yo.
Yo,
Alright, you want man.
Yo, that. Me don't got seed on it.
1. Counting 3.
Oh, yo, you changing that.
Well, rub off something. Too much sauce. Rub off some.
Yeah, you're missing sauce.
1,
2.
Hold on. Oh, yeah, cook the bad one. You gotta go 1. 1 and a half.
Yo, my dog long the corner. It's not like eating the.
Oh, yeah, go on and get hungry there. Nah. I still rate mango mineral the hottest.
Well,
You know what I'm right? Mango mineral the hottest. Me not care what you ask you. I frightened for that one over there. I will eat this one. The milk. Don't die, the milk.
we quit or you quit?
I think he quit. Why I getting the most chicken though?
I finish first.
alright.
3 more.
I eat.
This time, pour a little more.
So you should for single chicken.
More. More. Turn it up.
Two side.
Turn up the heat.
Might stop playing Bravey, boy.
Gravy. You gonna drink the milk?
I take it.
Yeah, we had to.
Why
And got paid there.
we not got more pain?
Come on, that.
Look, let me store it off a key. Yeah, Mrs. Spadeng and old pepper. Call that you man Mrs. Spato.
Wait.
Turn it. Woo!
It's like you wipe off your sauce, my
Got
man.
me all full with sauce. Look at me on. Look. See chicken I can't eat.
Take a bit the chicken away.
I feel like vomit. Is it chicken?
And then vomit next to
I think everybody should hold the milk by themselves. Put the milk over there.
Come know somebody if I drink the milk. Imagine when you drink this milk here.
Is chicken stop in him or chicken wing?
Stop chicken. Wing stop.
Yeah, what's it?
I
No,
Sweat. I'm gonna take off the slipper below.
My bad. Got chicken
Back
now?
in a bike, check it out.
You not?
Of course.
Let's see.
Yo, me feel something hotter than my belly, yo.
Can't eat too much chicken. I don't mind drinking the pepper. Do you like chicken?
Oh yeah, my Carlando OD thing.
Yeah, right.
And he don't like spicy stuff.
She got a bigger belly. You see me fine? Hold on. Look there. Look. Show them your missing from the back. Show them pepper missing from the back.
Yo, why you have this look great? This thing just to get to me, yo.
Taste it means eat. You're dribbling, dog. And no X your foot.
This thing just to get to me, yo.
When? No. Yo, I got him call. Yo, I get call,
yeah.
dog. Can't tell the rest.
Yeah, my feet for real, yo.
You know what? 3 and 3 6 and 3 9. I got 9 pieces of chicken there. That's that is game on.
Talking like you brave.
Go and meet the next piece. Meet the next piece, you're gonna feel.
Yo, dog, I want that! Pick it up! Pick it up or drink the milk. Pick it up or drink the milk. Help Orlando.
Everybody leave bubble.
Bro.
You in the middle.
I can't even open my eyes.
Nobody don't rub the
Keep that
face.
drink your milk.
Carl,
You gotta eat the chicken.
Yo, we feel a little feet, yo, for real. We're gonna be for real, yo. Your feet kind of hot, yo. We feel like one more minute. Let's go, man.
Hey, Mike, did you do anything?
Hold on, what thing I eat?
yo, Keontae.
Yo! He lose! He didn't use this to use his shot!
Yo, put that back a shot. Put that back a
You
shot.
gotta eat the chicken!
You know, I get a cool here, yo. Put back a shot on. Put that back a shot.
You gotta eat the chicken.
Bro, do not wipe your face with your hand.
Something I care. Something I. But you man, like, yo,
Crazy, alright?
that would feel like a lot of faint. Go there. Who can do yourself, man? Jeez,
Oh my god.
Go there. I'm ready.
If you eat though, you can't eat this.
No, I mean that man, you have this to eat.
You gotta eat though. Eat your chicken, eat it.
Well, you have two in there. Make it worse.
You gotta eat the phone before we start eating.
Come here, you have to eat that first, really, for real. Drink your milk.
Shoot.
Come. Drink it. Maybe can't talk too much. I got more time than burn you.
I'm so glad I'm breastfeeding so I didn't have to do this.
This milk tempting bad, but.
Go ahead. Yeah, man. Kian, we see a hand around the glass. I see Wiz Khalifa drinking milk. Hold on, I'll tell you the rest of the stories.
At least y'all leaning on each other.
Lean on me.
Nobody have breathe like that. When I pity you.
Why all three y'all just don't drink
AC
it?
arm, but I hot.
And I just turned it down for you guys.
Go ahead.
Carla, I know you better not drink that
Kian,
milk.
not, no. Me eating more chicken.
Carl, I don't do that.
Eating no more chicken. Tell them why.
You make this thing get worse for me, yo. You wait too long, yo. Remember the
Yeah, me eating till he the one though. Me eating till he the one.
Okay, come
Or he
here.
forfeit. Or he just fit.
Bro, I feel like I'm not feeling for you. Come here, come here. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale.
Okay, I'll go vomit on you.
Yo, what is this? What is this? Yo, what is this?
Just in case you found me the beer.
You could speak. Alright?
Yeah, I need to put a fan on Keon.
Man. It's stubborn, just feel like vomit.
Yeah. Look his eyes, he's crying, guys.
Don't cry.
Oh, woman, don't cry.
Don't cry.
No, woman,
Don't cry.
Go on.
Go, have next piece. No, so
You gotta eat your pieces
You have
first.
to eat
Dead.
it first.
Where? Show them. 3 pieces went in. You leave back a big piece.
Still have 3 pieces. Let me say you have 1 more piece of here.
Eat.
Nah.
Go eat cereal. Can you still have eat that same way?
He ain't bluffing nobody.
You see how they unfair with me?
Unfair it?
Oh, you feel unfair when you know I eat the thing.
Still got
I'm eating the chicken. And their mouth is cooling off and my mouth still hot.
Cause you
No, because you cheat that first, you then like move like
No,
go
no,
like eat.
no. I feel like sit down.
Yo,
You here?
yeah, we feel like don't feel it. Watch my yo. I'm talking too much care. You know what? I eat mine. I'm gonna get 2 on 1 stay in it.
Don't do it. You gotta eat. I don't want to quit.
Man.
Yo, here what? I'm done, yeah?
Yeah! You know like you want. You know like you want. You know like you want.
Wow.
You know like you want drink.
We find the 2 winners. That was the quick.
The video had
You
no.
left.
Yo, we only want to find the 2 winners.
Come on.
They can't have 2 winners.
So bye-bye,
Okay,
so bye-bye,
let's
so
go
bye-bye.
on.
So bye-bye.
Can't
two winner.
exit. Can't have 2 winners.
That's why. That's the first guy needs that quit, but I don't carry to the end.
Guys, you let down. You comment below.
Alright,
Just
keep
let
it in. 2 y'all, keep it in. Because
Alright.
the video is 40 minutes.
Now we have to say bye-bye, kid. Bye-bye, man. Say bye-bye now. Say bye-bye.
Yo, dog, put it on.
Alright.
Yo, the milk tastes good, bro.
We know. We know we had milk before.
Champion then bowl. Alright, ready?
Yo.
Baby, be
Yeah.
careful you don't drop them cups, right?
Here, yo. Be very careful you don't drop the cup and the chicken. People care more about the cup than the chicken.
Ready.
Hold on, dog. Why not why quit? You said you was the one who quit, right?
Yep, I did.
Alright, you ready?
First lady that.
And we know that. Yo, we sorry we can't show the camera. Your mouth on the water right now. Real thing that. Ready?
God.
Kill the mosquito.
So now you gotta put 4 chicken each in the.
Hey.
You can't
No.
put 2.
Okay.
He quit. Oh my god! There is no way y'all make Carla out eat y'all.
Smart, use my mind.
Why you spit it out?
Yeah.
It's not the hot color, man.
The chop again.
I bring a pepper.
First lady, second lady gone. So yeah. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thanks for tuning in. As always. You have the Guyanese, Jamaican. Who that?
Couple loose.
Barbados.
Guy in Barbados. Guyanese
Yeah, so
Barbados.
yo, you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to your boy channel. And big up yourself. Don't know, TripleLL TV always big up yourself. One love, peace. Out. See you next time. Like, share, and subscribe. As usual. Big up on yourself.
It is you.